Here's another quick 2-second lean video we're using in the prefab shop. Sorry I'm like video master right now, but just trying to get these out while they're fresh in my mind. But this one has to do with like the visual control stuff on 2-second lean. We're kitting each room with rough-in at the Nebraska Wesleyan job. It starts with this drawing right here. As you can see, the different colors, the purple, the green, the red. This is a pretty basic one, not a lot going on here, but each one of those colors represents a different assembly that's being made for the room. And we take that, you know, into the, see here, spray cans, then build the assemblies, and then they get a shot of the paint. Over here is an example of the kit coming out in the tote. This is room 217. Let's see if it's got the stuff in it. You open it up, you'll find the drawing. This has the lighting as well that we're prefabbing. And then the other rough ends, as you can see, the different straps and whatnot that go along with it, and the boxes painted should match. So you should be grab the drawing, grab your assembly, and it should match up. It should go on there. So there you go.